Seeker. Tiger Cat, world's best-selling guided missiles. Blowpipe, a shoulder-fired supersonic missile. Shoreland, a versatile armored car. SC-1, the world's first jet-lift flat riser. Belfast, Britain's biggest load lifter, designed and built for the RAF by Shorts, a firm who have been making aircraft and military equipment for over 60 years. And now the short Skyvan 3M light tactical transport. Go anywhere, short takeoff and landing, a very versatile workhorse. Derived from a highly successful passenger freight aircraft used throughout the world, the military Skyvan carries payloads of up to 5,000 pounds, 2,670 kilograms. And what payloads? Skyvan's large cabin easily seats 22 fully equipped troops. Loading and unloading is accomplished in seconds, a particularly useful facility in an assault transport which may have to operate under fire. As well as being an ideal troop transport, Skyvan carries big items like vehicles and guided missile systems which no other aircraft of its size can accommodate. The full-width rear loading door with its low sill means that vehicles can be driven straight in and out. Artillery pieces are quickly unloaded using the portable loading ramps. The military Skyvan's load of 22 troops are carried in forward-facing seats which are folded against the side walls for mixed personnel freight operations. 16 sideways-facing paratrooping seats also fold away in seconds. And for staff transport, airline-style passenger seats can be fitted. As a casualty evacuation transport, Skyvan carries 12 stretcher cases and 2 attendants. There's full headroom over the entire cabin, easing the work of nursing. Loading and unloading of the wounded is easy over the low sill. Skyvan's large volume, rugged floor structure, and STOL ability makes it a useful mobile workshop, bringing depot facilities close to the fighting lines. Strip rollers can be fitted in the hold for the para-dropping of supplies or for low-level extraction, and standard pallets can also be used. Skyvan's ability to fly with the large rear door open means that even longer loads can be carried. And the aircraft can tackle clandestine warfare missions such as message pickup by grapnel. With its big door opened in flight, the military Skyvan becomes an ideal platform for parachuting men and supplies. Leading parachutists of many nations have dropped from Skyvan, and they are unanimous that there's not another jump platform like it. 16 fully armed paratroopers can be carried, jumping in pairs straight off the rear sill. The dispatcher can sight the dropping zone through a blister window. Then there's supply dropping like these small loads, or big loads with roller conveyor and side guidance systems. And for dropping exceptionally bulky stores, say guns or vehicles, the rear door can be removed, increasing load height and giving a 4,000-pound, 1,815 kilogram single drop capability. Airfields like this jungle strip are no problem for Skyvan. With full load landing distances down to 700 feet, 210 meters, on rough, unprepared fields, the aircraft can operate close to battle areas in any sort of terrain. The rear fuselage geometry gives ample ground clearance, even should the aircraft be over-rotated on takeoff. Descents can be extremely steep, minimizing exposure to hostile ground forces. At its full takeoff weight, Skyvan becomes airborne in 780 feet, 230 meters. Mountain ranges, gravel strips, or soft desert sand, Skyvans tackle them all in the course of their everyday work throughout the world. takeoff is followed by a very steep climb, 2,200 feet per minute, 10 meters per second, getting the aircraft quickly beyond reach of small arms fire. In the Skyvan project, Short's team of highly skilled designers achieved a robust, reliable, and simple airframe with multiple load path fail-safe principles. At Short's huge production center in Belfast, the same care goes into manufacture and testing as went into design. The aircraft has a long life and can operate away from base facilities for extended periods with very little maintenance. Its equipment and systems are positioned to permit inspection and maintenance to be carried out with minimum access equipment. Skyvan is backed by a round-the-clock spares service which, within hours, air freights even the largest components in answer to emergency aircraft on ground demands. Skilled instructors train customers' air and ground crews at Belfast in an up-to-the-minute school with comprehensive teaching aids. The crews return home ready for posting to active service or ready in turn to train other personnel. Skyvan's large, comfortable cockpit has plenty of room for avionics, and a weather radar display fits neatly into the center of the panel. For responsive power, reliability, ease of maintenance, and long life between overhauls, Skyvan has two Garrett TPE 331 turboprops, which have been thoroughly tested and proved. They power a wide variety of both helicopters and fixed-wing aircraft used by the United States Armed Services and others. This, then, is the military Skyvan 3M. Versatile and reliable, compact and tough, and proven in service.